Happy New Year. This is Bruce Kelly, and it's New Year's Eve. It's 38 below zero with the wind chill. About 4 below real temperature. And I'm in the middle of the second blast of the great blizzard of 2010. Our second round here in North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota. Very quiet evening. The wind seemed to have died down just a little bit until the big blast comes in. Here's what it looks like in the front of the house and around the neighborhood. All is quiet, but of course all hell is going to break loose again with up to another 18 inches of snow. Hey, I just wanted to take the time to say thank you so much for listening to our radio stations. AM 1100 The Flag, Thunder 106.1, our brand new country station, and, whoa, oh God, oh God, whoa, all right, it's a little windier than I thought. Our brand new country station, Thunder 106.1, our ag station, Ag 890, and of course, Eagle 106.9. Thanks for listening to all our radio stations. And on behalf of the whole staff at AM 1100 The Flag, we the people with Chris Berg, the chairman of the Common Sense Club, Scott Hennon, and all the producers and everybody behind the scenes at our beautiful facility at 64 Broadway. Thank you so much. We could not do this without you. We're working very hard. Please let us know. Email us, call us, stop by the radio stations. Let us know how we can make 2011 a little better for you. We do need you. We couldn't do it without you. And thank you so much. We hope you have a safe, warm, and a nice, peaceful, quiet launch into 2011. We've got a great year planned for you. And again, thanks from all of us. Happy New Year. Now let me see if I can get in the house without falling on this 2 inches of thick ice, because I think my nose hairs have frozen.